This is the DS3 Crossback, and it's the latest example of DS Automobiles really pushing ahead with its product plan since it was divorced from Citroen back in 2015. And this is it. Now, when it arrives in the spring, it'll effectively replace the old DS3 hatchback. And surprise, surprise, it's an SUV. But one of the upshots of the fact that it's now an SUV is that it's now 5 doors. The old DS3 was a 3-door hatchback, you remember, but this one's got 2 extra doors. Now, it's got DS Automobiles' latest design language with its massive grille and expansive use of chrome, but there are just one little DS3 design cue, which is the shark's fin on the back window. What do you think to the design of it? Well, I have to say, I think it looks a little bit fussy, but that's no comparison to the interior, because whilst it is full of high quality plastics, there's a large 10-inch touchscreen in there, but the design is a little bit fussy, but I guess it is different after all. Now, under the bonnet, there's going to be 3 petrols and 1 diesel. Arriving later in 2019, there's going to be an all-electric version with a range of around 200 miles. What do you think to it? Well, let us know what you think in the comments section below, and also what you think to the starting price, because it's going to kick off from around £21,000 when it goes on sale spring next year.